I would like to ask you, Minister, why didn't you address the Russian aggression, that this was the only reason for this conflict, and that if...
How many times they've been invaded? Ask our Vietnamese friends how many times we have been invaded. Ask Indonesians how many times we have been invaded. We know war. We want to resolve. We want to help. But again, it's up to the two parties. What is the United Nations for? If not for conflict resolution? Why is a proposal for a demilitarized zone so taken as if it's not rational? We have a demilitarized zone in Korea. We had a demilitarized zone between North and South Vietnam. We had a demilitarized zone in the Sinai. We have now United States monitoring force in many countries. There are conflicts not only in Europe. There are violations of sovereignty not only in Europe. Ask our brothers in the Middle East. Ask the Africans. Ask the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo. How many?
Ya, kita acungin jempol apa yang dikatakan Presiden kita Prabowo. Dia berani dan lantang menjelaskan di PBB. Buat apa PBB? Untuk apa PBB? Berguna dan berfungsi apa PBB? Nah, itulah fakta bahwa memang masih tersisa di Prabowo ya sebuah emosional positif untuk mengatakan bahwa harus dipecahkan dunia ini, jangan sampai dibiarkan. Artinya sampai terjadi peperangan. Dia juga ngerti perang. Makanya oleh sebab itu saya kira cukup baguslah Presiden Prabowo. Kita hargai, kita hormati di dunia PBB. Saya kira tidak seperti presiden sebelumnya ini, tapi yang paling penting Pak Prabowo, di negeri ini sudah terjadi ya penguasaan tanah, lahan, bahkan laut. Jadi Pak Prabowo juga harus bisa berani mengatakan, suruh memeriksa mereka-mereka yang ingin merampok ya, merampok tanah ya, mau merampok laut Indonesia. Harus berani juga melakukan perintah kepada Mabes Polri, kepada Kejaksaan Agung termasuk KPK. Periksa itu semuanya.